Hey, fellow developers. Animations aren't just for looks. They make apps feel more natural and engaging. Instead of sudden UI changes, animations help users visually process transitions, making apps more intuitive and polished. But how does Flutter handle animations? At every frame, a property, like size, color, or position, gradually changes from its starting value to its final value. And the magic behind this? Tweens. Imagine changing a circle colors every second, or a moving animation in Flutter smoothly. Tweens make this easy. To create a tween animation, you need 4 key things. First is tween object. Defines start and end values. Second is AnimationController. Controls the duration and timing. Third is animated builder or animation widget. Repaints UI smoothly. And fourth is animate method. Connects tween with controller. Tweens are used everywhere in modern apps. For examples, button press effects, page transitions, smoothly animate between screens, loading indicators, interactive UI elements effects. That's how you can master tween animations in Flutter. Try them out in your next project and see how they transform your UI. For more details on animations in Tween and Flutter, visit Flutter.dev. For more Flutter and tech content, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.